In this video, we'll show you how to prepare an espresso coffee using the Smeg Mini Pro coffee machine. To begin, fill the water tank with fresh water. It's important not to exceed the max line. Now select your preferred filter. The Smeg Mini Pro comes with 4 filters, 2 pressurised and 2 non-pressurised filters. For a simple and perfect espresso every time, select one of the single or double dose pressurised filters. To have more control over the brewing process, allowing for greater precision and customisation, select the single or double dose non-pressurised filter. With this type of brewing, you will need to pay more attention to grind size, your tamping pressure, extraction time and the quality of your puck. To check the quality of your coffee, beyond taste, you can use the manometer, as this allows you to check whether the coffee is dispensed correctly. The positions around the dial will indicate perfect extraction, under extraction and over extraction. For more tips on making coffee using non-pressurised filters, please click on the link in the description. Insert your chosen filter into the filter holder. Dispense your ground coffee into the filter. It's recommended that you use a professional grinder such as a Smeg EMC02 that offers the option of a superfine grind up to 50 different levels. Distribute the ground coffee firmly and evenly using the tamps supplied. For correct dosing of the coffee into the filter and correct tamping, the upper edge of the tamp must be aligned with the upper edge of the filter holder. For greater accuracy, weighing your coffee will provide you with a precise and consistent measurement. Remove any excess ground coffee from the filter holder. Attach it into the dispensing unit and then turn it anti-clockwise until it's tight and securely located. Depending on whether you're making a single or double espresso, place the relevant cup or cups below. You are now ready to make your coffee. The Smeg Mini Pro enables you to produce your coffee in 2 ways. Manually, this is achieved by positioning the lever upwards to begin and pulling down to stop. The alternative is to select the automatic pre-dosed versions. Select one of the 2 coffee dispensing keys, single or double dose. If you wish to stop the coffee production at any time, press the same coffee button again. It's also possible to change the quantity of the coffee dispensed from these 2 buttons. Place a cup under the dispensing spouts. Simply hold down the button you wish to program for at least 3 seconds until the backlight flashes. On reaching the desired quantity, stop by pressing the same coffee button again. The length has now been set and is stored permanently within the machine's memory. After dispensing, remove and clean the filter holder by turning it clockwise. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.